Hello 18, good news tayo. They said, huge announcement, it's about to come. Kaya ito nga, pinakakaabangan na kung ano ba talaga ang big announcement after ng concert na simula at wakas. Dito nga, sa pinakahuling concert league ng S19 sa Perth ay announcement na. Ano kaya ang big announcement na to?
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.